don't try it. Okay.
So, they're trying to find a bird. He's trying to find the cats.
What is that? Is that for me? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine. Transportation service. Oh, hey, yo, you left your baby. Yo, what?
Oh, he's gorgeous. He is beautiful. How old is he?
He just turned 1 this month.
He's a big guy.
Yeah, he's gonna be a little bit bigger. Ooh! Oh, come here, come here. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, look, some beer. That's not beer.
Ah! Stop attacking me. I just want to press the beans. I just want the beans photo. Hi.
My best friend, where's my best friend? 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 There's my best friend.
1 year without me or 1 year without video games?
I'm sorry, but you gotta go. I'll see you in 1 year. You told her straight like that? Straight like that.
And he's scared of tie-dye, but you know what he's not scared of? He's not scared of fruit by the foot because he loves fruit by the foot. Do you want some fruit by the foot?